This is using the story extension in Arcade and the edge connector extension to connect the Meowbit arcade board to an LED series. We're showing that you can press a button and make the LED blink on the arcade screen, and also make LEDs blink on the breadboard. The wiring is very simple. We're using pin numbers 0, 1, and 2 for wiring. The code is in the description, and that includes telling about the wiring. Now we can tell people what they're going to see on the screen of the Meowbit, and we can also use edge connector to wire to the breadboard. See you next time.